And I want to thank American Majority for putting this together. Thank you very much for giving a round of applause for them. So Friday morning, I'm sitting there in my office working, and I get a phone call saying, Bill, what are you doing this weekend? Well, Saturday I'm taking my son shooting, and Sunday I'm going to church. Well, he said, no, we need you in Madison. So I came out here. The reason why I came out here, last 2 years I've been around the state a lot. You see my face here, I've gone all over, from every very top of Park Falls all the way down to Racine, Wisconsin, talking to great Wisconsin people. I've loved it, it's been incredible. I want to move here, by the way. Now, the reason why I came here is I want to thank you. I've been talking about accountability, I've been talking about individual responsibility, I've been talking about education, I've talked about the Constitution, I've talked about political castration, and you guys have listened. You're here now. You're making it happen. You're doing your job as an American. So I want to thank you for leading by example. That's what you're doing today. You're leading by example. And man, I can't thank you enough for doing it. One of the things that we need to do, we got to take out of our vocabulary is the word deserve. I don't know about you. I'll tell you what, we'll use it just once. Our veterans, our military veterans, those are about the only people in our society that deserve anything from their federal government. They deserve to be treated with respect and honor. That's the only people in our society that deserve anything. Unions don't deserve anything. You don't deserve anything. You work for it yourself. That's what America's about. I asked that question because I thought what Barack Obama was talking about was wrong. That's why I asked that question. You're asking the question today because you think it's wrong. The union out there, they don't know what to think. They're saying little chance, not really getting anything done, but you guys have made it happen for this country. You've made it happen for Wisconsin. Governor Scott Walker is making it happen for you. Now, I wasn't joking. I was supposed to be shooting guns today, and I'm supposed to go to church tomorrow. I did not prepare a speech. I didn't come here to talk. I came here to thank you. So thank you very much, people of Wisconsin.